Here is a radio that needs to be replaced in an Isuzu NPR. This is a 2018. As you can see, part of the display here is just kind of messed up. It'll do weird stuff every now and again, so this whole thing's got to be replaced. You don't need a whole lot really to do this. You need, obviously, the brand new radio. The part number is 898-241-4242. That's the complete part number, and it comes in a box just like this. And the only thing you really need is a T25. Pull this part on the dash. There is no screws or anything retaining it. You just yank and it comes off. The one thing you're going to have to, at least with this one, look at is the hazards right here. You got to unclip it from the back there, and there is just a little push tab that you push down and pop it out, and then bring the entire thing up and just set it up on top of the dash right here. Look at what you need to take apart. There are a couple here and a couple here. And since this is overlapping on what we need to take out here, we do need to take the entire thing apart and just take all those out and set the screws down in there or wherever so you won't lose them. But those are T25s. So I've got everything out and this is detached. So what I do sometimes is if there's a lot of whatever I'm taking apart, I mean, it's pretty simple in this one, but I'll just stack it as it goes back in. That was just easy because I get pulled off onto a lot of other stuff. So if I get pulled off of this and come back in 3 days, I mean, granted, it's just part of a dash, but that'll show you if it's a lot more complicated with something else you're doing. That's just a tip to kind of stack it, how it comes off. There are two screws, same, the Torx, the T25 on either side. And you want to make sure that you've got, of course, the right radio with the part that I showed you earlier, but they're gonna go to right there. Not sure if you can see that, but there are little screw marks inside there. So there's two, so you do two on either side. Go ahead and take this one out and get the new one back in, and then you just really reverse the entire process. When you take the brackets out, make sure not to get these screws mixed up. They're both T25s. However, the dash ones here are quite a bit deeper, and that can damage the radio going in there. The ones that came off of the radio are quite a bit smaller. Those are pretty shallow, so they only go in just enough to hold the radio in. So about, yeah, see, that's a lot less. The longer ones, you put them in, you're gonna damage your radio. You're gonna mess up the guts of it. Pull out the antenna, of course. Make sure that does not fall into the dash. And then right here, it's just the one plug. You press top here, and then the radio, let's see, should just fall out. It's a little tight. There we go. Popped out, and there we go. Everything is put back together. Before you get everything together, before you put the dash back on, make sure to go ahead and turn this up. I'm not going to, but make sure you're getting sound out of both speakers and that you're able to pick up some stations. I've replaced radios before, did everything just fine, and then I forgot that I did not plug in the antenna. So that is not a fun thing to have to pull back apart just for that. But then go ahead and test it, and as you can see the bottom here panel, this is fine. There's no mess about with this one because this is a brand new unit, obviously. So then we just get the front panel back on and we are good to go. And make sure to reattach the hazards and then test them out. There we go. They're working. And that's it. The radio is replaced. Everything's back together. We're all good. I hope that helped out somebody that needed a tutorial on this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useless, random stuff that could possibly help two people ever. Okay, bye.